Hello students, welcome back to your English class. Again we are here. After completing the chapter, the fantastic story written by Subhadra Sen Gupta. And you have seen the picture here. She is Subhadra Sen Gupta. She was known for her historical characters that she created. Her stories for children. Okay, that we come to know that a handful of salt is written by her. So as going through the chapter, we come to know about Mahatma Gandhi, about his march that has been done from Sabarmati to Dandi, and it was a long walk of 385 kilometers. It took hours, no. It took days, no. It took weeks. He keeps on moving. He kept on moving for days, for weeks, and people who joined him like anything. When he was moving with his followers, with the people of India, it was look like white river. Means it was look like the whole India had joined him in his movement. What movement? The movement of salt, breaking law against the British government, who has imposed this law on the salt, that each and everyone has to pay tax on the salt. So here you come to know about the story of Gokul and Dhani, okay, where they are waiting for Mahatma Gandhi, and when he was on his march, he just have a look at him. They just have a look at him and want to join the walk, but somehow due to their age they have to return back to their houses. So now this is the time for the comprehension. So here we will begin. Tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. Dhani and Gokul were anxious to see the Sabarmati river and Bapu. What is the correct answer? Which one is the correct? Dhani and Gokul were anxious to see. The answer is Bapu. Am I right? Am I right? The boys were carrying some chapatis. Question number next. The boys were carrying some chapatis and a couple of bananas because they, now the options are, had run away from home. Next, did not know when the procession would come and so had come prepared for a long wait. Yes, so answer is B, which is did not know when the procession would come and so had come prepared for a long wait. Next one is Gokul's father did not want Dhani and Gokul to undertake the march because option A, they had work to do at home. The walk was too long for small boys like them. Obviously answer B, as the walk was too long for small boys like them. Now moving to the next one, read the sentences, last one. Read the sentences and answer the questions. Salt. Why salt? This is we call RTC. RTC means reference to the context. So here the sentence has given salt. Why salt? On the basis of these, I must say, words, we are going to answer the question that has been asked here. Question number A of RTC 1 is, who said this and to whom? Who said this? Dhani said this to Gokul. Answer is Dhani said this to Gokul. Next question. Why did the speaker ask this question? What reply did he receive? Now, why did the speaker ask this question? First of all, we will answer this. Dhani, the speaker is Dhani, and Dhani asked this question because Gokul told him that Gandhiji would go to the seaside and make salt. The reply he received was that by law, okay, now we will talk about the reply. The reply he received was that by law the British government did not allow Indians to make salt themselves. They had to buy it from the British government, and even the poorest peasant had to pay salt tax for that. Gandhiji decided to defy this law by marching to Dandi and making salt at the seashore. Okay, so this was the answer for the question. Moving to the next, we are here. Okay, on the second RTC, next is, so they walked, it seemed as if the whole of India was walking with them. Now if when I am going to read these words, a imagination or a picture is coming into your mind, am I right? So keep that in mind. It means you have been through the chapter's concept or the summary is in your mind, so answers will come automatically. So whenever I will ask, you will give the answer and match your answer with my answer, whether it is matching or not. Okay, who led this walk? Answer is Dhani and Gokul walked. The walk was led by Mahatma Gandhi. The walk was led by Mahatma Gandhi. Next is, what was the purpose of this walk? Okay, it is just going to be the long answer. What was the purpose of this walk? The purpose of this walk was to march from Sabarmati in Ahmedabad to Dandi on the Bombay coastline. Is it so? And make salt on the seashore, defying the British law that prohibited Indians from making salt. Ask them to buy salt from the British government and pay salt tax for that. Am I right? So, moving to the next question, that is the C part. Why did it seem as if the whole of India was walking with them? Interesting question. Now it again create an imagination in your mind. Like, why did it seem as if the whole India was walking with them? Why was so? Just imagine. And now the answer is, the Indian people had supported Mahatma Gandhi's decision to defy the salt law and make salt themselves. Therefore, as the procession passed each and every village, large number of people joined Gandhiji in the march. And so it seemed as if the whole of India was walking with Gokul and Dhani, who had also joined the march.